Hi friends, welcome back to MS Excel tips and tutorial. Today I'll be giving you a useful tip using MS Excel, and the last few videos, the last couple of videos, you might have gone through some interesting tips. So today I'm going to through another tip, another tool. It's an option in MS Excel, and it's known as facing the panes. So before going into that into the application, I will just take you through a lengthy table. For example, I have created a table over here. It contains name, age, department, salary, deduction, leave. It can be any other data, but I just kept it short, the headers. And if you go down, you can see that there's a lot of data. So every day you need to enter this data and anything over here. Okay, so yeah, so when this table is a big one, actually every time while entering this data, you will have to will oftenly have to go to the top to make sure that you are entering the data in the correct field. Like you are entering that, for example, if you are entering the salary over here, you have to go to the top and make sure that you are entering the salary. And also if you are entering the deduction section, you might be confused at times, and you have to go on the top and see whether you are entering the correct place. So a solution for this is to use the freeze pane options, freeze panes option in MS Excel, and I will explain how you can get it done. Go to the view option in the menu tab, click on view, and if you go there to the right side, you can see freeze panes option, and if you click on that, you can see certain options like freeze pane, freeze top row, freeze first column. So here we are going with the freeze pane options, freeze panes option, the first one. So before that, we need to decide which row you need to freeze. Like here I would like to freeze this row which contains the header, name, age, department, salary, deduction, and leave. So for that, I need to place my cursor just below that row, anywhere just below that row. I can put it here, I can put it here or here. So now I am putting it over here. Then select the freeze pane, click on the freeze panes option. Yeah, now you can see a couple of lines coming over here, horizontally and vertically. And now if you go scroll down, you can see that the header remains constant on the top, like it's floating on the top. It does not change its position while you scroll down. So that will be it will be easy for you to enter any data without any confusion about the header. So it will save a lot of time for you, and it will make you more efficient, and it will help you in preparing lengthy reports on a daily basis. And if you want to remove this option, again you can go there, go to freeze pane, click on and freeze pane. Yeah, now the freezing is gone, and if you scroll down, you can see that the header is also moving up. So I am repeating it again. If you want to freeze the pane, just place the cursor anywhere below the row that you need to get freezed. Click on freeze panes. Yeah, that's it. So the table has been freeze for you. So if you place the cursor over here in the name, just below the name section, and click on freeze, you can see that the column towards the left of this cell will be freezed. If you go this way, you can see that the left column is also freezed apart from the top column, top cell. If you place it over here in the IT and click freeze pane, you can see that from the edge column, the column from the edge will be freezed. Like if you take your cursor towards the right, you can see that the name and edge has also been freezed. So in this way you can freeze any columns or rows or fields that you wish to freeze, and you can use it wisely so that it does not makes you confused. So I hope that this video will be useful for you, and also hope that you enjoyed watching this video. So if you enjoyed this video, please like this video, share it, and also give your valuable comments. And if you are watching this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and also click on the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever I upload new videos on this channel. Till I come with my new video, bye bye and stay safe. Bye.